Hello, my name is Tia Washington. I'm the Guest Relations Manager here at Coliseum Lexus of Oakland, and we just want to make sure you're getting the best out of owning your Lexus. We're going to be showing you a little bit about our navigation and how you can make the best out of your driving experience. I'm here in this beautiful 2016 RX 350. We're going to be talking about navigation and how you can be safer as you're driving, keeping your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road.
Today, T and I will show you how to utilize the destination, which is the navigation app. So let's go. Right in the middle of your, there's a mouse pad right here in the middle of your console. You're going to click on address, click on it. It's going to allow you to select the state. And right now we're in California, so we're good. But let me just kind of show you what it looks like. If you click on the change of state, there's multiple states that you can click. It's all alphabetical order, or you can actually select, type it in, and it'll bring up the state for you. And you can also choose Canada and Mexico. So let's go back out. And then it's going to ask you to select a city. So let's click on city. Then we're going to type in Oakland. So O A. I can hit OK right away here, and it'll pick up everything that says Oakland, Oak Park, and so on and so forth. But that's just to give you an idea. Either that, you just shorten it up, then you just put L, and there it is. You got Oakland, Oakland. So I'll click on Oakland. And it asks me to enter a street name, Oakport. And select an Oakport. Then I just enter the house number, which is 7273. Then once I'm done, enter, I'll just hit go. And then it will be calculating the route for us. Okay, that's that simple.
All right, so what I like the most about the RX 350 is the fact that it has this voice command button. The voice command button, it just does wonders because it does keep you safe. It keeps both hands on the wheel, and you can say so many different things. You can say, find nearby Costco. You can say, call Lee. You can say, I'm hungry. You can say 75 degrees. There's so many things that you can say using the voice command. And if sometimes you forget what those voice commands are, it does show up on your screen. So as you can see, it says navigation, music, phone, radio, all of those things you can say. And to cancel,
voice recognition has been canceled.
you just simply hold it for 3 seconds and you can cancel it. Or you can basically say cancel as well. But today I want to show our voice command feature in regards to destination using our navigation. So I'm going to press in and release it.
Please say a category name.
Find nearby Costco.
Find Costco.
Perfect. And now it's going to give me a list of all the Costcos in
Please
the area.
Say the list number.
Number 1.
Number 1.
And as
Is this correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, as
would you like to go directly or add it to your existing route?
Go directly.
Go directly.
Well, as it's calculating the route, the other thing that I like about the voice recognition is once I put in Costco, it allowed me to use the mouse to say, okay.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, then the route guidance will start.
Now, the other thing is once I get to the Costco location, your mouse does have an opportunity to kind of navigate to wherever you're putting the mouse. So say I wanted to go to the Oracle, I can press the mouse right here and it'll mark that area, and I can just simply press the enter button and it'll still navigate there. I can press go to and it'll go right there for me. All right, one great feature that our destination navigation screen has is under destination. If you go ahead and scroll over to the more section of it, pressing the arrow, it gives you all the emergency areas, the police station, the hospitals, and the fire stations. I always like to know where a hospital is if I'm ever in a location, especially because I have children and I want to know, like, if I need to go to the hospital, I just want to know the location. So if I clicked hospitals, it'll actually pull up the nearest hospitals in my location, the ER hospitals, as well as the regular hospital locations. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Okay, another great feature that I like is just like as you can use your phone to pinpoint areas on a map, your car also does the same thing. So using my mouse, I can say I arrived over here on this destination and maybe I wanted to arrive at the Oracle and I'm lost. I can just simply use my mouse and click over here where the Oracle is and press enter, and it'll navigate me over to where I pressed. I think this is a great optional feature, just in case you may be somewhere where there's no addresses. You may be hiking somewhere and you want to go over to another
Please
location.
proceed to the highlighted route, then the route guidance will start.
So now the map is actually going to take me over to where this location is, which is the Oracle. And I can also just press on the map and it just continues to show me wherever I'm pressing. So I may be looking for something in particular and it just shows me. So I think this is an excellent feature as well, Lee. One more thing about the voice recognition, a lot of people find with the Lexus is that they forget to press the delete destination right up here. Deleting destination doesn't delete the destination out, but it just simply stops her from navigating to that location. So I want to show you what it looks like. Once I say delete destination, it just simply takes it out of the queue. And so that way, once I get back in the vehicle again, I can go to a different location. Hey, thanks for watching. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please stop by or give us a call.